Greetings. I haven't posted a video lately because there's just not much going on. But I am excited. I today sent off an order for some seeds. And there's lots more that I'd like besides what I ordered. But I ordered things that I don't think that I would normally find at my local stores where I could buy plants and seeds. So I ordered from Baker Creek, rareseeds.com. I've gotten several catalogs and I think I'll probably get more, but from everything that I've heard from watching videos, I think Baker Creek's probably the best and the reasonable. I did not too long ago order some seeds from M.I. Gardner, and I actually ordered the microgreen kit, which is just 10 different kinds of seeds, and I'm gradually using those. I'm such small scale that, you know, it's probably not so exciting for y'all, but I really enjoy watching other people's videos, especially the homesteaders and the gardeners. And I tend to come to you and my hair isn't combed and my makeup isn't on, so you see me like I really am. Anyway, I'm just going to make this really short and sign off here. And one other thing I almost forgot. Was it yesterday or the day before? I think it was yesterday. Our temperature, well, it's been running in the like 30s and 40s. We actually got up to the mid-50s yesterday for a little while. And I got out in the yard and I clipped down my rose bushes, which I'd been meaning to do. And finally got that done and cleaned up some plants that had, died back for the winter. And just did a little bit of maintenance. And I've got more to do. Oh, and I picked some carrots from underneath my little tunnels. And they had grown a little bit. My carrots, the way I planted them, I'm not getting very big carrots anyway. And I noticed that my kales are doing fine. I know when it gets a little warmer, but not real warm, and I take the tunnels off, I will start they'll grow more and I'll be able to harvest some kales, and I'm kind of excited for that. I wandered around my yard. I noticed that a couple of places where I have daffodils, just barely the tops of the daffodils, so I just assume they wait for another month before they start coming up. But we have these really cold days for a bunch of days in a row, and then we'll have a warm day in the 50s. There was one day last week it even got up to practically 70 degrees, and then the next day it was back down in the 20s and 30s. It's like the trees and plants don't know what to think about it. Well, I said I was going to stop, so I better stop. I wanted this video to be short. So take care. God bless and happy gardening.